Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to gift a Robux to someone on Roblox. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here, I have two accounts open. So this one is going to send or gift Robux to this person right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is just open up this account. Now, what we're going to do is just go ahead over to Amazon.com, hit on enter. Now, in here, search Amazon or use the search bar. Type down Roblox gift cards or gift card, hit on enter. Right here, just browse from one of the gift cards from here. For example, we have for $25, you have 22,000 Robux plus 300. That is why it listed here 2,500 Robux. If you want this one, you can go ahead and click on add to cart. All right, here you have your cart at the top right. Just click on go to cart, like so, and just proceed to checkout. Okay. Now go ahead and pay this one using your credit or debit card, or if you have a Amazon gift card or voucher, you gotta use that in here, and then just continue with the payment process. And after that, you can go back to Amazon.com. Okay, in here, go ahead over to your account at the top right, and click on returns and orders. Okay, you'll be able to see your Roblox gift card in this section. Just click on it, and you'll be given a code. Okay, so what you'll do is just send that code to a friend. Okay, so your friend's gonna do is he or she is going to want to go to the navigation bar right here at the top left. Now click on gift cards, like so. Wait for it to load. Now click on this weird line right here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, just click on this box that says redeem gift card. Okay, or he or she can just go ahead over to roblox.com/redeem and just sign in with his or her account. Now, all they need to do is just enter the code in here. Okay. And then once done, click on this checkbox and just click on redeem. And in no time, they will receive your gifted Robux. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.